Hello everybody, this is my Millie Barbie Deluxe Style doll and I am so happy I found her. Look at those pantyhose she has got on, and look at how pretty she is. And I believe that the dress has a big bow on the back side and it is so cute, and I really like this line, this play line. It's so beautiful and they are so good quality compared to the usual Barbie fashionistas and jointed, so I'm very happy for these dolls. This is my second Barbie Deluxe Style doll, and I also have the one with braids I put up in another video. So let's unbox this girl. I am thinking that maybe I want to keep the packages, so I just open them underneath, and I couldn't really save the package, but I opened it underneath and I pulled the doll out from the package. It worked the last time and it will work this time. So there we go, and she's so beautiful. I really like this doll. I really like the Millie face, I really do. I know some people don't, but she looks so angelic and so kind, and I really like the handbag. Not too good this time either, but I love those pantyhose. They are so cute, so glittery. I will speed up this unboxing a bit here, so it will be easier to watch. But I really do like this new line, Barbie Deluxe Style doll line, because it's an affordable doll line and it has the really collector's luxury feeling to it, in my opinion. And look at her, she is so beautiful. The bracelet fell off, and it's just like a usual plastic bracelet. It fell off, it was a bit too big, so I tried to get it fit better again, but it was a bit too big. So the accessories really aren't a big deal, they are not superb or something, but I really do like the effort. It feels, the accessories are a bit Barbie extra over it, but in more usual colors. But her face, look at her, she is so beautiful, and the hair is so soft, and it's a nice hairdo as well. She has glasses that are really look like a Barbie extra doll I have. The necklace is also from Barbie extra line, and that bow, look at that. I really like this dress. I really like that there's a sweater underneath and it's a big bow and it's so cute. It's a bit like a sweet Lolita look to it, but more for common day use. So she's so cute, and this is my other doll that I got before. They are so beautiful together. I really like these dolls. I will keep collecting them, I believe. The qualities of the clothes are amazing. The accessories, they are more usual accessories from most dolls that have accessories with them. And the shoes are very cute. I don't have many of these shoe molds, so I'm very happy with these dolls. I don't think I have a Millie doll who looks to the side. I have the side eye, so I'm happy I got her. That's the reason I got her, because I love the face and her hair and everything and the clothes, and I didn't have the facial expression with the eyes, so I don't believe I did anyways. These two are my favorites from the line. I also like the Midge doll, but it's a very expensive kind of doll, and I do have similar Midge from Barbie Life in the Dream House, so I skipped that one. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.